AI-driven testing is powerful, but it is not perfect, and that is why we've introduced manual test override capabilities for AI-generated test results within ATP360. So now you can quickly update a test run's pass or fail results, and of course provide reasons why you overrode the result, so that your results reflect reality, which is super important. This capability is not just about fixing edge cases, it's about improving the system, as every override feeds back into the model, helping us to deliver more accurate results over time. And with our new AI efficacy graphs, you can clearly track how many tests are being overridden over time and how much human in the loop style review is happening across all of your test runs. Because great AI isn't fully automated, it is human in the loop. So let's see it in action. So here we are now looking at our new AI efficacy page over here, and you'll see at the top we've got our graphs to show you how many results have been overridden over time, to see how many were sort of needed, but also it's important to correlate that with how many test results were reviews, because if you've got on Saturday or Sunday, obviously no test results being generated, so no results are happening, no reviews are happening, but you may have a bunch of test results to review, which is what you then see at the bottom. It's also worth noting this date time picker, so you can see these trends over time as well, rather than just looking at the current state of play. Then we have our runs to review. So these are the test runs that have happened where a human has not yet been in the loop and reviewed the results. Now, if we remember the test, let's say this ran a moment ago, and we want to simply approve a test run, we could do so by hitting approve. We're asked, are you sure? Yes or no. That's then confirmed that we have confirmed this result is good. If we get one wrong, let's say you remember one and you want to override the results, so Adobe application installation and verification. So let's say the test result was passed, but it should have failed. You could provide a reason, should have failed. Reg keys were left behind. For example, you could provide that as a reason and then hit save. This will override the result from pass to fail. You'll then see that in the bottom section, this then appears as an overridden test run. So you can see that this should originally passed. We've overridden it to failed, and this is why. We also get a feel for how complicated this test was to know whether that's part of why, and this is important in kind of the human in the loop and improving the model aspects. The other place where you can review test results from is you've got the I button here, which takes you to the drill down into the test results. So this is a test. You can see the steps down the left-hand side and the action log down the right-hand side. The new addition is this here, where you can confirm or reject the test result from here. So I could just approve this one, remove Adobe uninstall application. Let's say this one was good. We'll just approve this one. Great, it's marked as approved now. If I go into a test from a different location, let's look at this one, launch paint application, view this one. This one has already been approved, but you can still see we have this test result approved overlay effectively, which I can collapse and expand. Let's say I accidentally clicked approve, and I want to override this and say, no, this is actually bad. I can do so like this. And there we go. And that's how it works. So it's really, really simple to control and keeps you as a human on top of AI and on top of all your test results at all times. We'd love to hear your feedback on it. I'm Bruce Cullen. I forgot to say this at the beginning, but I'm Bruce Cullen. I'm Director of Products here. So I'd love to hear your feedback personally. You can get me at bruce.cullen@remo3.com. Thank you.